and intro word is copy trading in Binance. So let's confirm and elaborate the copy trading. Key features of copy trading on Binance. Automatically replication. Once you choose a trader to copy, the traders they execute are automatically mirrored in your account. This means that whenever the expert trader buys or sells a cryptocurrency, the same action is taken in your portfolio. Flexibility. You can decide how much of your portfolio you want to allocate to copy trading. This allows you to diversify your investment strategy by following different traders or only copying a portion of a trader portfolio. Risk management. Many platforms, including Binance, offer tools to manage risk such as setting maximum loss limits or stopping copying if certain criteria are met. Transparency. Users can view the performance history and trading strategies of potential traders to copy, enabling informed decisions. Steps to start copy trading on Binance. Sign up. First you sign up, then create your account on Binance if you don't have one already. Choose a trader. It means browse through the list of available traders, analyzing their performance, risk level and strategies and profits. Allocate funds. Decide how much you want to allocate to copy trading and link it to trader of your choice. They are mentioned in all in login Binance Bank. Okay. Number 4, monitor and adjust. Regularly check the performance and make adjustments as needed. You can stop copying a trader to change allocation at any time. Benefits of copy trading. Learning opportunity. It offers a learning opportunity for beginners by seeing the trading decision for more experienced traders. Time saving. It saves time for those who can't dedicate enough time to actively trade by leveraging the expertise of others. Diversification. Copying multiple traders allow for diversification in investment strategies. Consideration. Risk. Like all forms of trading, copy trading comes with risk. It is essential to choose traders carefully be aware of market volatility. Fees. Some platform may charge fees for copy trading services. Copy trading is an excellent option for those who engage in cryptocurrency trading without extensive knowledge or time to manage their investment actively. However, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and be aware of the associated risk. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel and like the video.